Hey guys, Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज मेरी गायनिक की पोस्टिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं. अभी मैं बस स्टॉप की ओर जा रही हूँ. एक्चुअली टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री है तो मैंने हाफ जैकेट और कैप डाला हुआ है. समर्स है लेकिन अभी कंप्लीट समर भी नहीं आया हुआ है. सो या टेम्परेचर ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. मॉर्निंग में अलग, आफ्टरनून में अलग रहता है. सो या लेट्स गो.
Dealing with all such things which I could not deal with in India is something I have learned after coming to abroad. Studying abroad can be a life-changing experience, offering students the opportunity to immerse themselves in a new culture, learn a new language, and gain a global perspective. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges that can make life difficult. And I am living this international life where I would like to share my experience that how I dealt with so many challenges. Firstly, let's get into the video and then come back to this topic. In the lecture, we were discussing about cesarean and how an expertise can practice cesarean and how can a fresher practice cesarean. So yeah, sir was explaining us. Then uske baad we had a class test and every time we give this test at the end of the class.
You will hear the position and go.
क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मैं घर जा रही थी. सो या लेट्स कम बैक टू द टॉपिक विच आई हैड स्टार्टेड इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट challenges for studying abroad students is homesickness. Being away from family and friends in a new and unfamiliar environment can be overwhelming and lonely. The cultural differences, language barriers, and the feeling of being an outsider can give you a feeling of isolation and longing for home. Another challenge is academic pressure. Studying in a foreign country often means adapting to a different educational system, teaching style, and expectations. International students may struggle to keep up with coursework, exams, and assignments, especially if they are not fluent in the language of instruction. Okay, now let's get into the video. क्लास के बाद मुझे बहुत भूख लगी थी तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अपने लिए स्नैक्स बनाया एंड उसके बाद सोचा कि मैं बाहर शॉपिंग के लिए चलती हूँ. मॉल से शॉपिंग करने के बाद मैं आ गई थी अपने घर. घर आने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि बहुत सारा काम है करने के लिए. तो या आई स्टार्टेड फोल्डिंग माई क्लोथ्स विच एवर आई हैड वॉश्ड yesterday. Okay, now let's continue the topic that we were talking about. The third main thing is financial constraints. Can also be a major challenge for studying abroad students. Tuition fees, living expenses, and travel costs can add up quickly, putting a strain on students' budget. Many international students have to juggle part-time jobs with their studies to make ends meet, which can be exhausting and stressful. Cultural adjustments is another significant challenge for studying abroad students. Adapting to a new culture, customs, and social norms can be difficult and confusing. International students may experience culture shock. Discrimination can make them feel out of place and unwelcome. Personal growth is also a very important thing which challenges students to step out of their comfort zones, adapt to new situations, and navigate unfamiliar environments. This experience can foster personal growth, independence, resilience, and self-confidence. I think I am the great example. Like I was a complete introvert and I was completely dependent on others in India. But after coming to Russia, I do everything by myself. Despite these challenges, studying abroad can also be a rewarding and enriching experience. It offers students the opportunity to grow personally and academically, develop independence and resilience, and expand their horizons. By overcoming these challenges, studying abroad students can emerge stronger, more confidence and more cultural aware individuals. Okay, घर का काम खत्म करने के बाद मैंने टीवी पे एक मूवी चला दी. कन्नड़ा मूवी थी and usually मुझे बोर होता है तो I usually watch कन्नड़ा movies only on the TV. and उसके बाद हम उसके साथ साथ iPad पे डूडलिंग भी किए, वो लेने चली गई थी उसके साथ साथ. तो उसके बाद पीने का पानी रखने के बाद हम चले गए थे ग्रोसरी लाने. Although we were talking about all the challenges that studying abroad students face, but the main and the biggest challenge is cooking. One of the most exciting aspects of cooking as an abroad student is the opportunity to explore and experiment with new ingredients and flavors. Being in a different country exposes students to a whole new world of culinary traditions, local produce and traditional dishes. From street food markets to local grocery stores, each ingredient tells a story and offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of the host country culinary heritage. Moreover, cooking as an abroad student offers a sense of comfort and familiarity in an unfamiliar environment. For many students, preparing a home cooked meal from their own country can provide a sense of nostalgia and connections to their roots. In this way, cooking becomes a form of self expression, a way to preserve one's identity, and a source of comfort and solace in the midst of the challenges of living in foreign land. Through cooking skills, students can taste the world connections with the local community, find comfort in familiar flavors, and develop essential life skills. As they whip up delicious dishes from the around the globe, abroad students not only nourish their bodies but also feed their souls with the rich experience and memories that cooking abroad brings. So yeah, these are some main challenges that I have also faced in my life after shifting to abroad. So yeah, I thought that I will share these experiences and challenges with you guys so that you people get to know before coming to abroad. Lastly, let's get into the video. I finally decided to make something South Indian. So मैंने बिसी बड़े बात और उसके साथ पापड़ तलने का सोचा था. And yeah, that is what I'm doing. These papas were like complete स्मॉल शेल्स एंड उसको तेल में डालने के बाद वो एकदम से इतने फूलने लग गए थे एंड इट्स टेस्टेड सो गुड. ओके गाइस, खाना तो बन ही रहा है, उसके साथ साथ द वीडियो इज कमिंग टू एंड. आई होप सो दिस वीडियो विल बी हेल्पफुल टू दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कमिंग to abroad to explore many things and for their studies. Okay guys, stay tuned for my next videos. I hope you love my videos and please follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for my next videos. Until then, sayonara. This is Minoshin Khanam signing off. Allah Hafiz.